Hey, welcome back. Today I am taking you with me to a furniture consignment store. And this is a special store because they get all kinds of furniture from model home. If you've ever thought, I would like to have my house look like a model home, then this is the way to do it. You have to kind of look for them. Many times they're in industrial areas or places that you would not normally be shopping, and so that's what makes it fun. You can really go on an adventure and find something that is very unique. Now, I am down by the airport, so it's a little noisy, and they're doing construction too, but we're going to go inside and I'm going to show you how amazing it is to shop at a consignment store that not only sells furniture from beautiful homes, but it also sells furniture from some of the top, most expensive model homes that we have here in Orange County. And I would encourage you to look around your own community and see if there might not be a furniture consignment store. It's different than a thrift store, and it's much more high-end than a thrift store. It is better than looking on something like a Craigslist, and I think you're going to really have fun. So let's go in and see what they have today. By the way, it's a good idea to check back with them often because things turn over rapidly here. So let me just say, one of the reasons I wanted to show you this is because most people want to have a curated look in their home, and this is the way to do it. It is very different than going into a big box kind of shop and just saying, okay, I'll take this whole living room set or bedroom set. This means you select very individual items, and the furniture consignment store carries everything, as you will soon see. Now, another thing you need to be aware of whenever you shop at one of these consignment stores is they have furniture just everywhere. So you can't go in and say, where are the dining room tables? Where is the patio furniture? Where is the art? Because these kind of, well, they're almost like a warehouse. They shove stuff in wherever they think it will fit. If you see something that you like, you might want to ask them to put a hold on it or just go ahead and buy it, because most of these items are one of a kind, and when it's gone, it's gone. If you don't believe they have something for everyone, stick around to the end. Check out this new shipment that they just received from Abison Furniture. I checked out their website and I was amazed at the cost of this furniture. Very high-end and very nice. Well, I'm telling you, this place is really quite large and there's a lot to see. And they always say, walk all around and look underneath and behind and over. It's true. I have not found what I was looking for today, but as you can see, there are a lot of boxes stacked up. And I was told to check back in about 3 or 4 days because all of those boxes will be unloaded and there will be all sorts of new stuff to look at. Art is another thing that you'll want to look at when you go to a furniture consignment store. Remember, these are model homes many of the times, and so the art is going to be fabulous and very unique. I like this chair. Good price, too. Quite often, an estate sale will take their furniture and jewelry to one of these furniture consignments. Can you believe how many chairs they have? Theater chairs, patio chairs, and artistic chairs. Of course, this one's already been sold. One of the reasons you'll find so many patio items is when people move, they might not have room for this large set of outdoor furniture, and so you can get a real steal. Thanks for joining me today at the Home Consignment Store, where you can find just about anything that you might be looking for to decorate your home. I'll see you next week. Take care. Don't forget to subscribe.